Today I have the trailer hooked up. Going to go get the blue Jeep, my son's Jeep, that has that had to have the frame repair. We'll haul it home and commence to installing the engine. Because it had a bad engine, that's why it's so cheap. We discovered the frame rail damage when we got the engine out. Of course, none of the front sheet metal or bumpers really fit just right. The fenders did, but not the bumper. So we're gonna go get it, haul it home, and start fixing on it. Well, we got him hooked up and hauling down the road. So let's get it home and get it unloaded and prepare for the engine install and putting it back together. Maybe within a couple of weeks we'll have it going. We'll see. Oh, okay, I got it home. Got the engine unloaded from the back of the little pickup, and it's time to unload it and try not to crash it into the house like I did the porch over there on with the other one. For it has no control right now. It's freewheeling. All right, we'll get the little dog off the trailer. Got the engine in position, and before long we'll start installing the engine. Got to tidy up some of the under the hood components and get ready to do the work. But other than that, she's home. She's in the shop area. Oh yeah, before I do the engine, I want to replace these bushings on this steering rack since it's really accessible at this moment. I may be able to just take the bolt out and not have to remove the rack at all. But if I have to remove it, at least I can get to it while it's in here. And I also want to do a little bit of rinsing off in here. It's kind of dirty. Yeah, like I say though, tidy everything up, get it out of the way, and get ready to install the engine. See y'all next time.